Looking for a budget hotel in the middle of Ortigas Business District? Then you might want to consider this one. Hello, si Raymond to and let's check out Jinjiang Inn Hotel Ortigas. Let's go! You can book Jinjiang Inn Ortigas via Agoda. Be sure to use my hotel promo code AGODAJ, all caps, to get discounts. To redeem my code, click on the Deals tab of your Agoda app, type AGODAJ, all caps, on the text box, click on check, and you may now use my discount code upon booking payment. I booked their 23 square meter single business room with breakfast buffet good for 2 packs.
So guys, nandito na naman tayo for another hotel review, and this is Jinjiang Inn dito sa may San Miguel Avenue. Perfect tong hotel na to for business trips kasi sobrang nasa gitna ka lang ng Ortigas Business District. Tapos kung gusto mo rin mag-shopping, madali lang, very accessible to sa Mega Mall at saka sa Shangri-La. Pati na rin sa mga food trips na malapit, Greenfield, Capitol Commons, Capitolio. Single business room pala itong binuko, 23 square meters with one single bed. And malawak na yung kwarto. Makikita mo dito meron silang TV, tapos may work desk na rin. Tapos may mga complimentary water na sila, may mga cups, teas, saka sugar, saka creamer. And meron na rin silang electric kettle doon. Meron ka ring access doon sa kanilang refrigerator. Meron na rin ditong full size na cabinet na merong mga hangers at masampayan ng damit. Tapos may vault, may hotel slippers na rin. Meron na rin full size mirror sila dito for your OOTDs. Pagdating naman sa banyo, kompleto na yung mga gamit nila. Meron na mga shampoo, conditioner, sabon, toothpaste, toothbrush, whatever you need doon sa pagliligo mo nandito na. And then may mga towels na rin at saka towelettes. Tapos yung toilet nila may bidet na rin. And then yung shower area, regular shower lang, spacious naman. Maganda pa dito, meron na rin silang restaurant sa baba. Kung nagugutom ka, pwede kang mag-order doon. Or kung gusto mo ng medyo tipid-tipid, meron silang 7-Eleven at saka Lawson doon sa labas ng hotel. Sobrang lapit lang. May free breakfast na rin pala sila available from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Pwede nyo pala itong mabook sa Klook. For Klook, use my promo code JRaymondKlook. And for Agoda Hotels, you can use my promo code AGODAJ. All caps yun dapat. Okay? So hanggang dito lang muna at kita-kits. So dalakad ni Raymond. Bye-bye!